Come on. Oh dear.
I didn't even go to the doctor to see the relics.
Was your class on foot? Começa a estudar aos 40. Fui past 10 minutes.
No, not yet, but up there. If you want to stop, let me know. There we go. Hey, baby. No idea what we're looking at.
Finish for you with the museum. Which museum you wanna go? Which direction?
Are you ready? Okay. Okay, so we just climbed that hill. You cannot see it, but oh, is it exhausting. I don't know what this is here, but I think we're near the castle. This looks like it's seen better days.
That's what I did. It's down this way. Okay. I walked up. Just past the closet. It said, lay down.
This is only authorized vehicles. Geez, Eileen, could you imagine trying to move in?
Oh, this looks like an entrance.
It isn't. It says authorized vehicles only.
So where the heck do you get it?
I don't know.
I'm sitting on the space for a few seconds.
Well, let's get in the shade.
I'm going in the shade in the space.
Oh.
giving the camera.
Oh no.
Let's go, babe. Hills, hills, more hills. Here, what are we thinking of Lisbon so far?
It's a very good workout.
And it's a very beautiful city.
Yes.
But I'll
it's
tell you,
just
I don't
very
think I want to
hot.
live on these hills.
Nope. Benfica sounding more and more nice.
I know. Oh, exhausted. Oh wow. It's just never-ending beauty. $7.37, yeah.